Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's I have a simple, easy farmhouse tutorial I'd like to share with you guys. Let's get started. The supplies you're gonna need is some of these milk jugs bottle from Dollar Tree, some jute twine, some white paint, and a brush. So first I am going to paint these bottles all white. It probably gonna need 2 coats, but we'll see as we move along. You also need some kind of floral. Any floral would do, but I found my floral at Dollar Tree. They are the ones that I showed you guys in my last video. I found a bunch when I went last week, and I went back earlier today and I found some more, and I actually found different ones. Last week I only found 3 different kinds. Today I found another ones I haven't seen before. Maybe it's just new to me, but it is very pretty. I'll share that with you in a minute. So we're just about finishing painting these bottles. I think I'm going to do 2 coats. I'll let that dry and then we'll go back. And now let me show you the new floral that I found. And there were so many today, oh my goodness. But that's the thing with Dollar Tree. One day we can't find nothing, and the next day you find a whole bunch of them, and that's the case for me today. Okay, these are the new ones that I found today. They have these purple tips up here, and kind of white, kind of like daisy, but not really, up here. It is really pretty. Okay, this is the one that I found today. These are the one that I found last week. Lavender, yellow, pinkish, berry. See? So there are actually 4 different kinds. They are so gorgeous, just beautiful. And they're gonna go in these jugs later when they are dry. Okay, so beautiful. Now that the paint has dried on all 3, I'm gonna take this light green sandpaper and just kind of lightly go over it. You want to get your glue gun ready. So we're going to start at the top and go all the way down, probably to here. Just a little bit to begin with. Then we'll start wrapping. What I do is I wrap lightly like so, and then I will push it up. It's much faster. I think that's good. like so. Okay, I'm gonna do the same to the other two. Okay, now that's all done, time to put in the floral. You can arrange this however you like. I was going to trim the stems, but I decided that I was just gonna bend them so I can reuse it again later in other projects. Use any florals that you have on hands and it will look great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. If you do, please like this video, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I thank you so much for your continued support. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye.